Good morning, guys. Such an incredible day for ADA holders. Congrats, guys. That's all I got to say. For those of you guys who are patient, you were in this trade, you were still holding it with me. I'm currently in this trade, guys. We are now up. That's crazy. We're up $22,000 in the account this morning. I did not think we were going to hit that before. Yeah, 22,047. Gosh, that's so awesome. Okay, let's go over this. I ended up calling this exit over here, and we are now 79 for 79 wins on this channel, and the 79th one was actually ADA. I was calling a 25% exit. I'll walk you guys through the trade here, but I am exiting. I have a total of 50% exited from this trade, and I have a stop loss very close to the entry here because we have the indicators looking for a drop. But congrats, guys. This is a very good trade that we are in, and also I'll cover some more videos today of some other trades that we're doing very well. So in the second half of this video, I will give you guys everything you need to know to trade with us because we've never lost a trade on this channel. We literally are 79 for 79 wins over here. So let's go over this for ADA. I'm so excited to do this video. Okay, so our first buy limit was way back on October 3rd, actually, for 218, and that was over here when we bought this dip. And we started going back and forth. It ended up pushing up into the top section here, and I actually ended up exiting 25% of this at 230 on October 7th, which was way back over here on this wick candle. This came all the way back down. We've been holding this forever, and then just this morning, I ended up calling another 25% exit. You guys can see this on November 9th at 235, and what I've done is I've moved the stop loss very close to this entry here to see if we want to pump up this morning, we want to just keep going, and we come back down and do something like this. I'm just going to keep moving the stop loss up with us. It is such a simple strategy to trade, and literally in the Telegram channel, it's like having me as a professional trader on your guys' side that you can literally just copy everything from if you guys would like. So looking at this now, here is why I ended up calling this exit in the market of 25%, which is now a total of 50% exit, and now we have 50% of the trade remaining at this level of 230. It is the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. This is so high on the chart here. This is so high on the chart that if you guys look at what's happened in the past, even when we get up close to the top red section, this is when we are seeing very fast moves back down in the market. I'll just show you guys all the ones that are visible right here. We can see this when we start getting up here, we are seeing drops back down. We're looking at this, look at straight up here, guys. We're seeing this move right here. Didn't last too long up, and then we start seeing it move back down. This called the top here. We saw the move back down. This ended up calling this top. We definitely saw a drop back down in the market. This saw top, drops back down in the market. This is where I'm expecting to see some type of top and some drop back down in the market, okay? I have updated the buy limits for ADA, so make sure you guys do not miss out on that because I want you guys to check that on the second half of this video. I'll show you how to get into the next trade because we're going to ride this up even further. All right, this was something I've been really teaching you guys, and I want you guys to make sure you have the trend exhaustion, the price versus the well money flow, and trend dashboard on your charts. It is part of our Black Friday sale, and I'll share that with you guys in a second. I want you to also observe this before we go over the metrics today. Okay, watch this. Retail traders right now, all of their indicators in here are telling them to go long right now. They are all FOMOing in, and I know this because it's all green candles. What we did is we were patient. We are exiting while all the retail traders are FOMOing. The people that I'm coaching who have millions of dollars, and you guys are in ADA right now, this is a great time to look for an exit because retail traders on the West Coast, because it's 6:30 a.m. right now, they're going to be waking up. They're going to feel like they're missing out. They're going to pump money in here just like they already are on the East Coast because they're already up. They're going to pump money in. This is a great time for you guys to be exiting part of your position because all this retail trader excitement is going to be pushing buys into the market. This is where we should be selling because it's going to give us the perfect liquidity for us to sell with bigger accounts, okay? Not myself with 22,000, but those of you guys who I coach who have millions of dollars, this is a place where you want to look to take some profits. And in my personal opinion, not financial advice, 50% exit should be exited already. 25% was on October 7th, and then 25% here with a 50% stop loss right there. Okay. So exciting, guys. Also, let me show you this over here. If you guys remember the dominance video that I showed you guys, I said, you guys will find me hanging out when the dominance is low, and I do expect to see this move back up. It's exactly what we're seeing on the charts here. So let me show this to you guys over here. If you guys have been watching this dominance chart, sorry, let me take this volume off. I never have volume. I don't know, why that's on there. You guys do not need volume, by the way. Look at this. The dominance chart was what I was looking at. I was looking over here and looking at the correlation between ADA and what's happened when dominance is very low. When dominance is low down here, what we're seeing is that when it gets low, this is the precursor before we see massive pumps in the market. Dominance was low over here, basically around the same area. What happened after this? We saw a very fast spike in the market. Now dominance is low, and could we see this really fast spike in the market? Yes, and we are already seeing that. Okay, now if this ends up triggering our, let me take this off real quick. If this ends up triggering our 50% trade out here, what I'm simply going to do is just jump right back into ADA with the next buy limit to try to catch this on the higher low formation, and then we're going to ride this up even further. Guys, this is a very, very good trade to be in, and congrats guys for being in this. Now, let's go over to the metrics real quick, and we'll cover this, and then we're actually going to go over, and I'll show you guys how to get into our next trade so you do not miss another one. We've literally almost hit 80 for 80 wins already, and it's only the 9th, so this is pretty fun. Okay, all the metrics as well as the live trade entries are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every day. So watch this. We are, as of yesterday, pushed up into the excited area. This morning, I wouldn't doubt if this blue line is the metric value pushes into the excited, potentially. I don't think it's going to get to greedy today, but we could potentially be pushing up into greedy. This is a place where you guys want to look to be selling. I'll prove that to you guys in a second. Take a look at this. As demand was super low, dominance was very, very low. Okay, dominance was super low. Long trades were in the market. A perfect combination, a perfect storm for a great move up on ADA. I have heard so many, I'm not going to mention names here. I've heard so much smack talked about ADA people on YouTube. They're like, the people holding ADA are just never going to make any money. And then I've been like, guys, you just need to watch this. The dominance is low. I'm not trying to like pump myself up here, but really, when you guys see that something is just not going very far and it's just like sitting there and people lose interest, that is where you'll find me, is when the dominance is low. I'm going to be grabbing those coins up on discount. It's the 70-inch Samsung TV that's Black Friday sales. I'm going to be snagging those because they're great discounts. Okay, long of a short trade risk. This is now pushing into the neutral. I don't think it's going to stay in neutral. I think we're actually going to push up into the good short trade. We're not going to short trade on this channel. We're just going to go long. Let's move down here. Well, an institutional smart money. So much fun. These guys were looking for short trades in the market here. That was this move up here. And now we're looking for this move back up. So let's see what happens here. I do believe what we are going to see is this is going to be up. And I do believe we're going to see the sentiment change here, where we're going to start seeing further bars down for short trades. Because this has extended itself here, I do believe they're going to be start looking for short trades in the market, which we are going to correspond with that by looking for exits right now for a move back down. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing. Let's go over here and let's keep moving. Support and resistance prices. Where could we head? In my opinion, the strongest structure of resistance is, you got to pull this back way over here. We're currently sitting right now at 236. I think the next strongest support is going to be up here. 227. Well, let's go back to the charts now. 229, we've already broken that because this is on a 4-hour. The next strongest support is up here, in this, in my opinion. This one, and then this support right here, which is putting us right around this area of about 257. Why 257? Well, it's very close to the quarters theory number of $2.50. I wouldn't doubt if this pump actually pushes us up to 250. It's absolutely possible this could happen. I did come out with a video, I think it was about 4 or 5 days ago, where I said we could possibly hit $3 by the end of the year. This actually could be the pump we've been waiting for, to see a $3 move before the end of the year. So I want you guys to definitely watch out for this, okay? This could be a very good trade that just continues to move up for us. So doing great, guys. I'm watching it go up here. I'm just so excited. So let's watch that. Now, coming back down, if we see a drop back down in the market, I'm really looking for this area right around here, about $192, basically. Now, I'll make a caveat to that. Here's $2 down here. I think the next best place to get in is actually going to be close to this retracement. So a break and a retest of the this is now a descending support. It was a descending resistance. So I think this move back down is going to be a great place to get into. I have the next buy limit up here. I won't share the exact price because I want to keep it for our paid subscribers. But the next buy limit is very close to here. You guys can snag this on the move down and then ride this back up. If I get triggered out of here, I'm getting back into ADA. You can guarantee that, okay? Let's go over here and then I'll teach you guys how to get into the next trade with everything. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys got into this, you guys are obviously doing very well because we are definitely pumping up here. So great job. If you have $1,000 you want to throw it into the market every time you get a green line, that's what you guys can do. Okay, taking a look at this. This came out with a signal over here saying, hey, look for a possible exit. We're starting to move up in the market here. So this came out yesterday. So let's watch this today. Most likely what you guys are going to see is another red bar here. Again, this is not telling us that we're going to drop every single time we get one. It's telling you what, guys, if you've been watching this channel, it's where you want to look to take some profit in long trades. It's exactly what we're doing here. We're following textbook trading and we are doing very well. Okay, the most exciting part of this video is right now. Here's how you guys get into the next trade setup so you do not miss another one. Cheapest membership online for for sure for our win rate and the percentages we're winning, hands down. Make sure you guys get this. It is $49 a month, and I will give you every single trade that we have ever entered, and we will enter into the future. We've already won 4 trades this week alone from Monday to Tuesday. 4. Okay, we're at 79 for 79 wins in here, and our 78th for 78th, I'll show this to you guys back here, was on XRP, and then we took 77 and 76. In order to get into all of these trades that we are taking and winning, you must have a membership. It's $49 a month. That gives you access to the actual metrics I just went over, and this is where you guys want to start. This is how you make the money. You come over here and you look at any of the coins that I'm tracking here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, ADA, VET, Matic, XRP, Solana, Link, and DOT. Great. You're going to click into any of these. Example, Cardano, because we're obviously covering Cardano today. What you guys are going to do is click on Bitcoin, and this is what you guys are going to see for every single chart. Every day, this is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This has obviously been updated for yesterday, and it says 11/8. This is hard-coded in, so this cannot be faked. Literally, when we update these metrics, it will say 11/9/2021 for today. Here's all you're going to do on Cardano, Solana, any coin that you want to trade. You are going to put simply 4 buy limits into your exchange. This is so simple, so please follow me, guys. All you're going to do is if you have, let's say $4,000 you want to trade with, 25% trade allocation at each of the buy limits. So $4,000, you'd put 1,000 here, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. All right. You're simply going to wait for your first buy limit to get hit, and then you're going to set a sell limit up here at the first yellow line above your first buy limit. So stinking simple. If you have questions, watch this video down here. Make sure you guys sign up for Telegram on your computer or your phone first, log in, and then click Telegram down here. And this is going to give you guys a hot link to join the actual Telegram page over here. It's been very fun. Like within the last about, I would say 40 days, we've gone up almost about 400 subscribers here. You guys are understanding that this is actually working and you're making money and you're not losing trades. Not a single person who's ever signed up for our membership has ever lost a trade since they've started. It's been very fun, and a lot of people are switching to this method of trading because we aren't losing and we're not scalping 1% to 2% profits. We're obviously doing very good over here, okay? So here's the Black Friday sale that you guys straight up cannot miss. You cannot miss this. The reason for that is I will never have this price lower again, ever. Like literally, the bundle pack right now is 83% off, and you guys get all of our indicators. If you want to get them by themselves, and you guys need at minimum the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. At minimum, you guys need these. I make reference to them. I have it on all of my charts in here. I talk about the trend exhaustion when we exit. It is very important that you guys have those. I'm also using them for the analysis to look for moves back down. If you guys get these 3, you are very close to the bundle pack. This gives you all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It gives you all 5 of these, and it gives you 4 more on top of this. This is absolutely the best deal, guys. You will be seeing this price go up. So let me move this over here. Sorry, let me get a different tool brush. You guys will see this price go up $50 by the end of the month. So not only is this the greatest deal you guys will ever see on the bundle pack, it is also going to be increasing at the end of the month. And then next month, I am looking to up the price of the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow again. So this is literally the most ridiculous deal you guys can get, and it is a crazy one you don't want to miss. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not turning this into a sales video, but seriously, if you guys want to trade with us, the reason why we are not losing is because of the indicators, the metrics, and the entries for risk management. That's why we're not losing. The bundle pack, snag it. You will not regret it. I promise. So congratulations, guys. We're doing very well over here. Let's see what happens. You know, as more market people wake up, if this thing just keeps flying up here, I'm just going to keep moving the stop loss up with us. This could be an amazing trade. Or today we could come back down. We could just get tagged out of the stop loss, and then we just get into our next buy limit. So make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits right now with your membership. Again, $49. Set up your buy limits today. It's so cheap, guys. Set up your buy limits. Set up yourself into the Telegram channel, and make sure you guys are getting the indicators on the Black Friday sale. At checkout, simply put Black Friday as the coupon code, and you guys will receive that. All right. God bless you guys so much. I'll keep you updated. Such an exciting day of trading, and I will see you guys on the next video. Let's see if we can go 85 for 85 wins by the end of this month, and I will see you guys later. I'm so jacked. Have a good one, guys. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.